And only like IIT type of things would do this.
You would think so.
I know.
Anyone want to sub in?
I'm wearing double glasses.
I'm filming you right now.
Oh.
Deflected.
And still he stays on his broom. Okay, after this is done, we need to add commentary. Or we can totally just do it now.
Yeah, do it now, because I'm filming right now.
Okay, let's see. Oh, and pink hair tries again. Oh, and he's back on the ground. And he's back on the ground. Oh, there it goes. Ready? And not such a clean shot.
I can't wait for the snitch to come back again.
I know.
He just got hit.
Oh, there comes Dan Kelly.
Oh, where?
Wait.
No?
I see no snitch.
I don't see a snitch either.
I do not see a snitch.
I don't see a snitch either. Okay, back to the fun stuff.
Oh.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh!
Oh, that's an advantage being so tall.
They're standing right in front of my filming.
You guys, she's filming!
Does that make sense? Yeah.
She's filming it.
It's worth it.
The camera on the iPad is the most ridiculous looking thing ever. Guys, I'm gonna film this.
That totally just missed. Where are the hufflepuffs? They're supposed to be great fighters.
He's taking a break.
They'll show up sooner or later.
Did you lose him? Wait, who's the other speaker? Oh, did they? Ooh.
Hey, as a beater, could I potentially like chase around the snitch with a bludger and like throw it at the seekers?
I don't think so. You could throw it at seekers. Yes, you can.
Yeah, but like, could I like follow them around campus?
No.
Because I tried to throw it at a sneaker when I was over there.
Oh, possibly.
I missed though. It was really bad. It was a really.
Oh,
Oh, he got the snitch! Woo! Woo!